Good morning, students. Hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome to the maths class. Let's begin our class with chapter number 12, Algebraic Expression. Today, we are going to continue with the same chapter, and today's our topic is like terms and unlike terms. Now, let's discuss what are like terms. Terms that contain the same letter variables which are raised to exact same powers. For example, in this case, 2a and 3a are like terms because they contain the same variable a and the power of both the terms is 1. Next is unlike terms. Terms that do not contain the same letters variable. For example, in this case, 3x and 5y are two unlike terms because they contains the different variable. In first term, the variable is x, and in the second case, variable is y. So they are unlike terms. Next topic is types of algebraic expressions. First type of algebraic expression is monomials. What are monomial? An algebraic expressions having only one term. If in the given expression we are having only one term, that expression is known as monomial. Example is 3x, as this 3x is only one term. Similarly, minus 5xyz and 7xy. In all these three expression, they are all having the one terms. So they are all the examples of monomials. Second type of algebraic expression is binomial. An algebraic expression which contains two unlike terms, they are known as binomial. For example, 3x and 4. In this expression, there are two terms, that is 3x and 4. So, if an expression contains two terms, that expression is known as binomial. Third type of algebraic expression is trinomial. What are trinomial? An algebraic expression containing three unlike terms. If an expression is having three unlike terms, like in this case, we are having an example of x plus y plus 3. So there are total three terms. First one is x, second y, third one is 3. So if an expression is having three terms, they are known as trinomial. Next is polynomial. An algebraic expression having two or more unlike terms are known as polynomials. So in this case, all the binomials and trinomials are also considered as polynomials. For example, x plus 2. It is a binomial, but it comes under the category of polynomials. So there are many more examples of polynomials are there. Students, please note a binomial as well as a trinomial are particular type of a polynomial. So we can consider the binomial as well as trinomial for a polynomial. Now let's start with exercise 12.1. So let's start with question number 5. Classify into monomials, binomials and trinomials. As we have done earlier, monomial means that expression which contains only one term. Binomial, the expression which contains only two terms. Trinomial, an expression which contains three terms. So let's solve some of the expression. Like over here, second part is y square. We have to tell whether these expressions are monomial, binomial or trinomial. As in this expression we are having only one term, so it is a monomial. Similarly, for this eighth part, expression is again 7mn. Only one term, so it is a monomial. Now, ninth part is z square minus 3z plus 8. In this expression, we are having three terms. So, the three terms are, first one is z square, second is minus 3z, and the third one is 8. So, in this expression, there are three terms. So, this is a trinomial. Similarly, if we are having one more expression, let it be 4p square q minus 4p q square. In this expression, we are having only two terms. So, this is an expression having two terms. So, it is a binomial. Question number 6 is, state whether a given pair of terms is of like or unlike terms. Means we have to tell whether the given terms are like or unlike. Like in this expression, we are having 14xy and 42xy. In both this term, the variables are same. No doubt their orders are different, but they are having the same variable. So this both terms are like terms. We will not consider the order of the variable, but we will see only whether the variables are same or not. In this case, variables are same. So this both terms are like terms. Next is the fifth part. It's 4m square p and the second term is 4mp square. No doubt in this case both the terms are having the same variable, that is mp. But these both terms are not the like terms. They are unlike terms. Why? Because in the first term, the power of m is 2, whereas for the second term, the power of m is 1. The powers of both the variables are not the same. So, this both the terms are unlike terms. So, to see whether the terms are like or unlike, we have to check firstly whether they are same variable. Secondly, we have to check the powers of each of the variables. If they are having the same power, only then they are like, otherwise they are unlike. Next is the sixth part. It's 12xz and 12x square z square. Again, this both the terms are unlike terms because the power of both the variables are different. For the first term, the power of x is 1, whereas for term 2, the power of x is 2. So, the variables are not having the same power, so they are like terms. To check whether the terms are like or unlike, we will not consider the constant part. That's all for today. Similar questions are given in the assignment. Till then, thank you. God bless you all. Stay home, stay safe.